In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluid Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. This one. When it's ready, open it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Now select Consent in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top left corner over here. Then manage all of those options however you want to. Or even select presets and click on one of those. To apply it, hit yes and manage all of those options. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Then select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit yes. Tap on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and click on one of those options. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can state my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!